Welcome to ETH Daily, a daily briefing on the latest in Ethereum. Here's your latest for Monday, September 22nd, 2025. Rainbow announces its Rainbow token. Vitalik writes about low-risk DeFi. Sky Protocol activates a penalty on Maker to Sky conversions. And BitMine now holds 2% of the ETH supply. All this and more starts right now. Rainbow, a browser and mobile-based Ethereum wallet, introduced its native token, Rainbow Token, expected to launch in Q4 2025, alongside new app features such as real-time pricing, balance updates, candlestick charts, and plans for Hyperliquid-powered perpetuals and a new game. Rainbow also published a public proposal seeking to acquire Clanker, an AI-driven token deployment bot. The proposal offers 4% of the total Rainbow token supply to Clanker holders, along with an airdrop of accrued Clanker LP fees. However, Clanker's developer Jack Dishman responded by clarifying that the team had already rejected Rainbow's acquisition offer last week. Ethereum creator Vitalik Buterin published an article over the weekend arguing that low-risk DeFi could play the same foundational role for Ethereum that search did for Google. Unlike speculative crypto, low-risk DeFi refers to safer, more stable, and transparent applications, such as payments, savings, and fully collateralized lending. Buterin emphasizes that low-risk DeFi is already helping sustain Ethereum's economy while expanding global access to finance in a way that aligns with the cultural Ethereum values. Looking ahead, he envisions low-risk DeFi evolving into areas like under-collateralized lending powered by on-chain reputation, prediction markets used for hedging strategies, and new forms of stable value. Sky Protocol activated its delayed upgrade penalty, which imposes a 1% fee on Maker to Sky token conversions. The penalty will increase by 1% every 3 months, aiming to incentivize users to upgrade their legacy Maker tokens to the new Sky governance token. The token migration process first began in May 2025, allowing holders to convert Maker at a fixed rate of 1 Maker to 24,000 Sky tokens as part of the broader MakerDAO rebrand to Sky Protocol. The new migration fees will accrue to the protocol to be allocated by governance. Major exchanges, including Binance and Kraken, have already delisted Maker tokens and auto-converted holdings to Sky. And lastly, BitMine Immersion Technologies Inc. announced that it now holds more than 2% of the Ethereum circulating supply. The company holds 2.4 million ETH, worth over $10 billion, making it the largest corporate holder of Ether by more than twofold. The company, chaired by Tom Lee, aims to acquire 5% of the total Ether supply. Total ETH held in strategic ETH reserves has surpassed 5 million Ether, with ETFs holding an additional 6.8 million Ether. In other news, the ERC-8004 team will host its first Builders Call, ENS Vision is winding down its ENS marketplace, and Synthetics announces a $1 million trading competition. This has been a roundup of today's top news stories in Ethereum. You can support this podcast by subscribing and following us at ETH Daily. Also subscribe to our newsletter at ethddaily.io.